Now understand rfind method. Rfind, how we will write? String dot rfind and value comma start index and end index. If you remember, we have learned find method. If you have not seen that part, please check that out. And rfind method, it is the just reversal. A find method working from initial, rfind method work on last occurring element, but find method works on initial from starting. So let's understand. I am taking a variable text equal to welcome to our channel. I'm writing 2 again 2 times to make you understand, and then I'm taking x equal to text dot, we are right here rfind, and then I will write here e, and then again different variable text dot rfind e comma 3 comma 7, index number I have given here, z I am giving text dot rfind, then again e comma 8 comma 12, and z a I am giving a variable a txt dot rfind 2. Let's run this. I am printing x into y z and print a. Let's enter run. So what it is giving? It is giving 19. Why it is giving 19? Because our last e is coming at index number 19. If we write here, then what it is giving? It is giving 20, returning from right side. So this is rfind method. Why? What 3 to 7 index? This index is 6 because only one time e is coming, and in z there is no, so it is returning -1. The error is returning as a -1 in find method and rfind method, and in a variable last 2 indexes coming here like 23. So 23 index, because at last 2 is starting from index number 23, so to 23 value is coming here. So this is rfind method.